What? Okay, what? No, it's late. You know it's late.
What?
What the fuck? Are you kidding me?
What? Oh, you're gonna bring me the bully. Okay.
How my dog asks for food.
Really? No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad. No, you're not getting dinner.
Do we got in there, boy? Ooh. Here you go. Here you go.
No bite.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait.
Is you okay? What happened? Look at the. Oh, look at that. And then she tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb? Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.